How to sign up for Adidas affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So you won't be able to find this particular affiliate program on the original website of Adidas, but you will be able to see all the products over here that you can promote later on and get the link for and earn good commissions. So in order to earn this particular commission on these products, for that you will just have to open up any browser and then search for Adidas affiliate program and just open up the very first link that you will see. It is from US. So in order to join UK one, just go with the second one, which says that adidas.co.uk. You can see it in the domain name, but make sure that you sign up for it using the official website of Adidas. Instead, when you go down a little, you will be able to find there are different mediators. When you sign up using their website, then you won't be getting the whole amount of commission. So it's better to go with the original websites. So in this video, let's open up this US one. So after opening up, this is where it will take you to. And over here, you can just go through the affiliate programs details, like what it is targeting for. And it is targeting for the audience of aged 18 to 24. And also, if you have an audience that can engage with these products of Adidas, then it's good to direct that particular traffic to this particular website and earn good commission. You can go through all the different details of it, and in order to join it, just click on this option of apply now right beside affiliate program. And this is where it will take you, and over here you need to provide the details like your information about your personal details like your name, email address, and a username that you want to create, and provide a password for. After that, it will ask you to provide company information. In case if you don't have any company, it's completely fine, because you can just simply provide the name of your personal name. And also, in case if you don't have any company, then you can provide your YouTube's URL over here, and also provide the details about your country and your street address. After providing all sort of information, you will be able to find the option of promotional information. Over here, you will just have to select the option according to your needs and requirements. Like if you are a creator and going to promote the affiliate program by creating more content, and then just simply select creator. And in case if you are a content maker and you provide different reviews for different products out there, then just simply select this option of content and reviews. So this way you would be able to select it. After that, you just need to select the option how you are going to promote this particular product. Suppose you are going to promote it using website, then simply select it and provide your website's domain over here. In case if you are going to do it using your social network like your YouTube and your Facebook account, then just simply select this one, social networks, and connect your social networking account over here. After that, you will be able to find different agreements over here. Make sure that you go through this particular payout details in order to understand it better and how you're going to make all the money out there using this particular program. So just scroll down to the very end after having a look on it, and then just simply click on this option of sign up. Let me fill all my details and click on sign up. Now you will be redirected to this page afterwards, and over here you will be able to see that an email has been sent to the email that you just provided. Just go to that particular email and activate your account, and this is how it will appear after you click on the activation email. And in case if your application has been rejected, this is the kind of email you will be receiving. So over here there are some reasons why your application might get declined. The first reason being that your website might be sketchy and they are not sure whether you will be able to promote it, or maybe you are using it for some other purposes. Also, if your website is not live and don't have much traffic on it, then they won't be accepting your application as of now. And also, if you have less than 2K followers on your social media, then your engagement might not be high, and in that case your application might be rejected. So these are some reasons which might get your application rejected. But in case if it is successful, then this is how it will appear. Now just simply click on this option of click here to go to your account and complete your application. And now you just need to type the similar username and password that you just used. Let me type mine. And this is how it will appear. Now just complete all the terms and conditions and accept them. After that, you will be able to get into this particular program. Just fill all these details which are related to impact.com. So basically you are being prompted to create your account on this option on this website called impact.com, and through this website we are actually joining the Adidas affiliate program. So this is how it will appear. And for Adidas affiliate program confirmation, you will be receiving email from Adidas itself. So this is how it will appear. So that was all about the Adidas affiliate program, and this is how you join it. If you face any problem, then you can just simply comment down below and our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.